There has been no dearth of enthusiasm as persons continue to turn up in droves to get their COVID-19 jabs. Since Lucia rolled out its vaccination drive on February 17, 2021, with the main focus on frontliners, senior citizens, and people living with chronic health conditions. Despite hesitancy when talks of vaccines first surfaced, health officials are satisfied with the public's response thus far, with thousands vaccinated in the third week of the island's immunization campaign.
As of Tuesday, March 9th, 2021, a total of 10,437 doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has been administered. The response at the various vaccination sites has been very encouraging. This level of interest we see as an appreciation by our citizens of the health benefits of the vaccines and the opportunity it presents for regaining some measure of normality as we continue to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The vaccination campaign has been undertaken by bringing together partners across all sectors and with a wide range of interest. This partnership has started with us within the health sector, with the public and private healthcare practitioners undertaking national vaccination efforts collaboratively.
Last week, residents in Viewfort complained of a lack of accommodations for persons with disabilities and senior citizens at the health center. National Immunization Manager Tekla Jabatis says health officials will be facilitating home visits for persons who are unable to access the sites.
The Ministry of Health is aware that there are individuals with special needs, including the elderly and people with mobility challenges who are unable to access the vaccination sites. These individuals, their family, or caregivers are encouraged to contact the nearest community wellness center to register their loved ones. Vaccination will be facilitated through home visits by the community health nurses. To date, majority of the elderly homes have been covered and will be completed in the coming week.
Omnibus operators, educators, and hospitality workers are encouraged to get the vaccine. These individuals are urged to walk with a proper form of ID when visiting the vaccine centers.
It is important that these sectors are targeted as people within these groupings are at medium risk of being exposed to COVID-19. Persons working in the transportation sector such as minibus drivers, teachers, and tourism sector workers are advised to access the community vaccination sites to access the vaccine. In the coming weeks, mass vaccination exercises will be undertaken for the second phase of our campaign. We encourage people who fall within phase 2 to pre-register to receive their vaccine. Pre-registering is valuable to us at the Ministry of Health as it assists us in our forward planning for the logistics and resources required at vaccination sites.
The drive is continuing in communities across St. Lucia in the days and weeks ahead. On Saturday, March 13, 2021, vaccines will be administered at the Corinth Secondary School and Canneries Town Hall. Persons are encouraged to walk with a light snack and water as there is likely to be some waiting time during the process. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.